Good morning to everyone. My name is Sandesh from 6th standard. Requested parents. I am D. Sandesh contesting in our school elections in the Unity Squad Party symbol. Shake hands. Kindly request your valuable support and blessings. So I could do work towards building friendship, unity, growing in our school. What will you do? Uh, I will make sure that every children feel included and valued. I will encourage peace, cooperation, and understand between students. Uh, with your encouragement, uh, uh, I promise to be great leader who consult students. Vote for me. Let's stand together, grow together. Thank you.